Hey, good afternoon. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Hello, afternoon, wherever you are. Right, here we go. Let me just read through this part here because obviously, right, as we're doing the Ryan Nefer Amen. Right, this is what, day 6 of it now. Okay, so we're on the third part right now. So we're on 103 103A. Okay, so we're going to be reading that section there. Right, so it's page 93 of the Ryan Nefer Amen. Right, this one here, Neto, volume 4, the Assyrian resurrection. Right, so we're going working our way through this one. Right, let's see. Peace that emanates from the Amen part of our being, just not physical relaxation, but plays a dynamic role in all aspects of our lives. It must replace every single negative emotion and sensation that motivates and our attributes and actions, and serves as a foundation of our positive attitude towards life, our thoughts and action. Peace, Hitep, Nirvana, is therefore not something that we are waiting to achieve at the end of a spiritual quest, but something that we must secure as soon as possible, yesterday, as his saying goes, in order to enter on the true path of life. So that means you must be seeking peace at all times, right? Move with peace in your life at all times, right? So we go to the let's see, I got to find the 103B section of it here. There we go. 103B. Here we go. Right. So it says review 103A, which we just read. Okay. And it says review 103A and write a short essay on the spiritual journey on why you should achieve the peace of Amen, a peace that nothing can upset, as soon as possible. Be concrete and specific in regards to the benefits that you will achieve. Peace is my nature. Peace is my nature. All right. Why? Well, let's see. Okay. The reason why you have to be peaceful at all times, because it prevents blockages. It prevents you being held back. It prevents the manifestation of what you are creating. So in your creation, if you're not at peace, or you have any thoughts of things that are of a negative, or you're allowing things to come into your life that are negative, then this is one of those things that you really need to be aware of. Because even as you wake up in the morning, right, the natural thing is, or the normal thing is, to wake up and then straight onto what's happening outside in the world. What's happening outside? Not what's happening for you. That's a normal thing. So your intentions should be for yourself first, right? Ensure that you are instilling in yourself that you are in gratitude of who you are, where you are, what's happening to you, for you, You are going to be putting things in place that is going to be enhancing your life, enhancing your day, living to those things. The tasks that you're looking to achieve is going to be for the achievement of your betterment, right? And that's it. That's all you have to be living into, right? Whatever happens outside of that, if it comes to you, deal with it. If it's nothing to do with you, pay no attention. Pay it no attention. Why are you seeking disruption? Why are you seeking things that are not pertaining to you? Why? There's no need for you to be seeking that at all. There's many reasons why you can be distracted. And that's what it is. That's all it is. It's a distraction. You don't have to be fighting it. You don't have to be fighting it, because if you're fighting it, that means that there's something within you that is not in control, right? If you got to keep saying to yourself, "Oh, I'm a peaceful man, I'm a peaceful man, or peaceful person," right? If you got to keep saying that, there's obviously something within you that is not in balance, right? If you're finding yourself agitated or uncomfortable, there's something within you that is not in balance. So therefore, you must have that feeling, the genuine peace within yourself. Get to know what it is. Get familiar with that feeling. Put it into your meditations. Put it into your meditations. Allow the tensions which is building up in your body, or building up in yourself, not only in your body but in your mind as well, anxieties, allow that to dissipate. Put it to one side. If it's important, deal with it. If it's not, put it to one side. Focus on what needs to be done. Focus on what needs to be done. Peace is your nature. Until the next time. Subscribe. Okay? Subscribe and share. Okay? And comment as well. Comment as well. Okay? Until next time.